everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rosie, and today I'm going to be opening this chips blind bag. So, we have the chips blind bag. It includes 2 paper squishy chip bags and 1 checklist. So, get the paper clips away. And we have the first one. And then the second one. And then we have the checklist, which it says common, uncommon, rare, ultra rare, and legendary. So we can get a Lay's classic, that one's common. We can get a Lay's paprika, that one's common too. We can get a Doritos, it's a rare. A Pringles, an ultra rare, and a Lay's. I don't know how to spell that, so that one's a legendary. So let's put this aside and let's open the tiniest one first. It's pretty hard to open without scissors. First peek. Now to figure out. Oh no, I just teared the packaging. Alright. Yes, we got the Pringles. It's very squishy and slow rising. It looks like we got the ultra rare Pringles. Looks like it's a mini can. Some ASMR. Alright, let's get on to the next one. We'll put these right over here. Here's the next one. See, this one is easier to open. Yes, we got the common Lay's classic. That one is very squishy and slow rising too. These are probably the best paper squishies I have made so far. Because this one's really soft and this one's very slow rising. Normally my squishies don't really rise. They just bounce back, so I'm very happy how these turned out. Still rising. This is like a Lay's mini chip bag. And there's nothing else inside of this bag. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for a shout out in my next video. Mostly my comments are off. You can always comment on a different video of mine. Goodbye!